Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to block message from unknown number on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so for those of you who are often annoyed because you keep getting message from unknown numbers, don't need to be worried guys, because you can automatically block message from unknown number. And how to block message from unknown number is quietly easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then now you can click on the right top, and then now you can click on spam and block menu, and then you can click on three dots on the right top and click block numbers, and then now you can activate unknown. So if you had a message from unknown number, that message will automatically block from your phone. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching guys. Bye.